Guys, welcome back to tweelingZA. My name is TSIKO and today's video is going to be about a haul what I've purchased in the June-July months. And then yeah, like it's just a video based on a haul. Now I'm gonna tell you where I purchased these clothes from, to how much it was, and best way to get these items without breaking your budget. But yeah guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and there's going to be a giveaway mentioned at the end of the video, so please stay tuned and let's get right to the video. Let's go. Hey guys, so the very first thing I purchased was this shirt from Mr. Price. It was in the men's section. I really like it. It's a very long shirt. My friend recommended me to buy it because I was going shopping with her. It says Distorcha. I like graphic t-shirts because like also it's also important for you guys to have a plain white t-shirt so you can wear it with anything, but I like a graphic t-shirt, especially if I want to plan on wearing it as a shirt dress. I thought it was cute, and it's an extra large, so because I'm a very short person, it's gonna look quite long when I wear it. And then I just wear it with plain white sneakers. I thought it was really cute. It was very cheap. It was about around 60 or 50 rand when it was on sale. So I best believe that when you guys want to purchase something, go to the end of the month and then go look at the sales because they're extraordinary. The second thing I purchased was this cute guys, like oh my gosh, this cute red jersey from H&M. H&M had a sale at the end of the month and the sales was beautiful. All the items were just wonderful. Okay, not everything though, I'm not gonna lie to you, because I kind of struggled to get things that I wanted. But this, when I saw this jersey, I was like, I'm definitely gonna buy it. The top of the jersey has a very high rise, and at the bottom it has a very short, the moment you wear it, it looks like a cropped shirt. But it's a very cute shirt, a jersey that I would wear in the winter. But because winter's about to end, I'd also plan on wearing it next year. Doesn't matter as long as it's in my closet. Now the third thing I purchased was from also Mr. Price clothing. Mr. Price, yeah, either way, yeah, clothing. And then I got these gym shorts from the sports section. It says make it happen. I thought it was cute to get. It was around 60 rand on sale. Surprisingly, everything was on sale. Yeah, it was 60 rand on sale. You can wear this even when you're not going to the gym. You can wear it like when you go on a chill day but just want to look cute. But I also wanted to get something on for the gym because I'm taking it seriously this time for the season. You know, you want to get ready for the summertime, the summer bodies, you know what I'm saying? But anyways, yeah, this is what I got from the gym section. Oh, I also got these gym pants. I already started wearing them because I was going back to gym. But it was these grey pants I also got for 60 rand. But yeah, it was also 60 rand. Both of the items were 120 in checkout. Now, the other thing I got, what my mom got for me, was these track pants I purchased from Pick n Pay clothing. It was around 80 rand because I don't have anything nude. Oh, I don't know what color this is. Vanilla, peach. For school, I don't have any track pants that are this color, so I thought to myself, let me get this color. There was different colors, black, pink, but I couldn't find the pink because I really love pink track pants, but I couldn't find my size. But I got these, and I think it's very important for students to have track pants, especially when they go to uni or college, because it's something simple you can wear but also look good. So yeah, this is what I got. Yeah, it was 80 rand, and yeah, that was all. I also got these pants from Mr. Price. These pants over here from Mr. Price. I already started wearing them. Most of the items I started wearing is because like I just really got excited. But I got these pants from Mr. Price. It was a similar pants I purchased in our other haul, a pink one I mentioned, but these ones are gray. I really love these pants. But yeah, like it's a gray pants. You can wear it with the white shirts, a plain white shirt. Okay, maybe gray doesn't have a black shirt, I don't know, but I just thought that these pants were so cute and they're very comfortable. So yeah, now okay, I'm gonna show you what I purchased throughout the months. It came in this package over here. I totally forgot about it. It's this wallet from AliExpress. Because I ordered this item, is that at that moment back then, I think it was in April, I didn't have a wallet, so I decided to order one, and then it took so long I totally forgot about it because the user protection order was over. So I ordered it, I had a dispute for the order because I was worried that I was going to get my money back, and I got my money back because I thought my item wasn't coming, but then turns out it was actually here. So I got my money back, and still managed to get my purse. It's a very cute one. There's the orange one and there's the black one, but because I'm not a very colorful person, I decided to get the black one. It's very cute. Over here it has a plastic to cover it so that it doesn't lose its color. But yeah guys, this is what I got from AliExpress. I think it's cute, I think it's wonderful. But yeah guys, this is what I got. Now I purchased items from 2 online brands. They're South African based. It is Zando and Spree. Both of them had beautiful sales guys, but you really have to look though. They had beautiful sales. Most of the products I ordered shoes to rings, jewelry and sneakers. It was just wonderful. But yeah, let me start. So I purchased, most of them came in boxes, so I think that is better because some of them put it in plastics. It came in this box over here, the first item I'm going to show you, and it's called Style Republic. I purchased these slide-ins, the Esper, I don't know how to pronounce that thing, the word of the shoe, but it's the Espelators, I don't know. And I thought to myself, let me get something for the summertime. You never know if I'm gonna go on a holiday. And I thought, okay, let me get these black ones. It has a suede material. It's very cute in person. I think it's just pretty. So I thought, okay, let me get a black one. I could slide in and wear it, look good for the summertime, guys. Like, you just never know. But yeah, these are the slide-ins that I got from Spree. And I thought, okay, it was very cheap. And I'm gonna tell you one big, like, I was shook when I ended up paying at the checkout, but I'll tell you. So the third thing I got from Spree was the third thing I got from Spree was these sneakers from the same brand, Style Republic. And they came in a box, and it was these sneakers, these white sneakers that look like the Nike Cortez. I thought it was cute and it was very cheap, guys. So I was like, okay, let me get this for myself because I don't have a lot of white sneakers. I do have the white Converse, but I thought to myself, they're old and I wear it all the time. So I decided, okay, let me get some white sneakers. They're very cute. It's black and white. You can wear it with anything. And yeah, this is what I got from Spree. Another thing I got from Spree was these shoes from Jada. I thought they were really cute. It is a nude slide on. I thought because I don't have a lot of different colored shoes, I would rather get a color that is not too much but not too plain. So I got a nude shoe. It's very cute in person. And because I don't have a lot of slide-ons, I was like, okay, let me also get another one so that I can have options. I think it's really cute. It's a size 5. It's just wonderful, cheap. It's cute. You just gotta look cute on a budget, guys. You just gotta look cute on a budget. So these are the 3 shoes that I got from Spree. And I got these rings. I can't find them right now, but I'll show you on the screen. These shoes, when I got them, before discount price was 1,100, but after discounts was 400 rand, guys. So I saved 600 rand, 600 or 700 rand. Now can you imagine, guys? And I'm here like, but anyways, like, I was just glad that I managed to save money at the end of the day. And then now the shoes I got from Zando. The first one I'm going to show you is from Miss Black. These shoes are so cute. I already started wearing them because I was so excited. It has these embroidered tags on it. I thought it was so cute. It looks so cute on my foot. And it's white. You know, I wanted the white sneakers. I saved to get these shoes, guys, because I was like, I don't have any white sneakers. So I got these white sneakers. I think they're very cute. And I was just like, wonderful. You know? Wonderful, you know? I don't know if it's so weird. But yeah, guys, this is what I got. Another thing I got was these slide-ons. No, the slide-ins from Zando. I thought they were cute. Again, they're these platform slide-ons. And they have like these flurry effects. I don't really like it over here, but I think that I thought they were still cute, so that's why I purchased them. And they're very cute. It was, I don't remember how much it was, but I'll put it on the side over here. And I thought it was really cute. It's a size 5. I'm a size 5, by the way, so if anybody wants Spanish shoes, come through. But yeah, it's size 5. I thought they were really cute. You can wear it in any way. Because I'm very short, I like to wear shoes that have a lot of platforms. It's just, that's how I am in general. But yeah guys, these were items I purchased online, offline, anywhere, anytime. I really hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you guys want us to do a video based on how to look good on a budget, come through with the comments. If you guys want us to know where is the best place to buy cheap items or things that you can save your money so you can't break your budget, come through with the comments. We will do so. So yeah, now I'm going to mention the giveaway, and if you guys want more details, then go to our Instagram handle so that we can mention everything on the giveaway. But we're giving away two double tickets to a natural hair expo where they include food, poetry, workshop based on your natural hair. It's going to be a fun experience. It's happening at Constitutional Hill, and the competition closes on the 18th, but the actual event is on the 24th of September. So the competition closes on the 18th of September, but the date is on the 24th. So if you guys want to stand a chance of winning, make sure to subscribe on our channel and comment below what makes you a natural hair babe. You can comment anything else, but you also have to include the hashtags JHBNHE and hashtag tweelingZA giveaway. Now yeah guys, just don't forget to subscribe if you want to win. But yeah, so if you guys really enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe and tell your friends and friends. Bye guys, I'll see you in the future.
Yeah.